Atlantic Ultraviolet Corporation, the standard of excellence in ultraviolet. UVC in meat processing facilities. Did you know that processing facilities undergo a constant barrage by microorganisms? Meat processing facilities undergo a constant barrage of microorganisms, such as bacteria and mold. Most likely because maintaining rigorous sanitization and disinfection standards to comply with USDA, FDA, and the FDA Food Safety Modernization Act is an expensive and time-consuming effort. The Food Safety Modernization Act requires that you know the risks in the facility, have a safety plan in place, and take preventative measures to minimize hazards. The Food Safety Modernization Act's safety plan consists of 5 steps. 1. Hazard analysis. 2. Preventative controls. 3. Oversight of preventative controls. 4. Supply chain program. And 5. A recall plan. Studies have shown germicidal UVC rays mitigate microorganisms, bacteria, and mold. 254 nanometers is the level at which ultraviolet UVC rays become lethal to pathogenic bacteria. Germicidal UVC is lethal to microorganisms such as E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria. Did you know that germicidal ultraviolet also helps increase profits? Meat processing facilities that properly employ germicidal ultraviolet UVC see a direct correlation between the installation of their ultraviolet systems and increased profits. UVC influences safer working conditions, higher quality products, longer product shelf life, and increased profitability. Germicidal ultraviolet UVC for air and surface disinfection and water and liquid purification. Sanilite and Saniray germicidal ultraviolet irradiators and fixtures are highly recommended for surface and air disinfection. Sanitron and Megatron water disinfection systems are continuous solutions for wash water, rinse water, clean-in-place water, and even effluent. Use a combination of UVC systems to maximize sanitization benefits. When installed throughout your facility for air and surface treatment, contaminations are halted where they begin. The modular design of each UV purifier enables it to interconnect and allows capacity for nearly any flow rate. Sanilite, Saniray, Sanitron, and Megatron systems can be used for air, surface, and water disinfection in meat processing applications such as slaughter rooms, carcass rinsing, processing areas, viscera cleaning, packaging rooms, conveyor belts, refrigeration rooms, clean-in-place water, sausage and deli meat production, bacon slicing, effluent processing, fresh meat packaging spaces, and holding rooms. Let's take a look at air, surface, water, and liquid disinfection without UVC technology. Without the use of Sanilite or Saniray, spores settle on the meat, rails, hook, walls, trays, and just about any other available surfaces. These areas become the sources of contamination for fresh meat entering the facility. When rinsing or cleaning, waterborne contaminants can rapidly spread onto surfaces that come in contact with the liquid particles and aerosols. Waterborne contamination stops spreading when the disinfection through UVC rays is added to the meat processing cycle. Microorganisms are carried throughout the air until they land on meat products, and processing surfaces. Once they cluster, they form visible mold and slime that speed up the meat's decaying process. Atlantic Ultraviolet's UVC systems work to stop the spread of contamination, eliminate mold and bacteria, and create a more sanitary environment. Want to talk more about meat processing and UV? Call our application specialists at 631-273-0500 or send an email to sales@atlanticuv.com.